Welcome to my channel. Connect Netgear Wi-Fi Extender with Travel Router. Keep the Wi-Fi extender in an area that is within the router's coverage range. Avoid placing the extender close to other electronic devices and metallic objects. Connect the extender's power cord to a power source to power it up. Now get your computer or laptop connected to the extender's network. Connect to its Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable to connect. If making a Wi-Fi connection, select the extender's default network name Netgear_Ext. Run your favorite browser now. Insert mywifi.ext.net in the browser's address field and press enter. If using a Mac device, then the URL that you will be using is mywifi.ext.local. You can also make use of the default IP address 192.168.1.250. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking the checkbox. You can find the network name or SSID of a Netgear M1 travel router on its display. Simply toggle through the screen until the SSID displays. Insert the router's Wi-Fi password. Customize Wi-Fi settings like Wi-Fi name and password for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Add an admin name for the Wi-Fi extender to help you log in. Thanks for watching.